The Youth Law Centre is a free and confidential legal service for any young person in the ACT aged 12 to 25 years. The Youth Law Centre can provide young people with legal advice, assistance and representation. Often, legal advice can help you to better understand your situation and figure out which steps you should take to resolve your legal problem. The Youth Law Centre can also give you legal information. If you have any questions about the law and how that affects you, don't hesitate to contact the Youth Law Centre. In this video, we are going to break down what the rules are for possessing cannabis in the ACT for those aged 18 years and over. In 2020, cannabis was decriminalised in the ACT. It is important to understand that this does not mean that cannabis is legal. There are still laws that apply to cannabis which must be followed, and failure to adhere to these rules will constitute a criminal offence. In the ACT, it remains a criminal offence to possess any amount of cannabis if you are under 18 years of age. If police find that you are under 18 and you are in possession of cannabis, even a small amount for personal use, the police may charge you with a criminal offence. To find out more about how possession of cannabis is dealt with for people under the age of 18, watch our other short video titled Cannabis Possession Laws for Under 18s. In the ACT, people aged 18 years and older can legally possess up to 50 grams of dried cannabis or up to 150 grams of fresh cannabis for personal use. If you are found in possession of cannabis in any larger quantity, police will charge you with a criminal offence. You must also remember that it remains a criminal offence to sell or gift any cannabis that you grow or possess to another person, regardless of their age. Maximum penalties for possession offences of cannabis includes $8,000 in fines, 2 years imprisonment, or both. If you choose to possess cannabis, it is an offence to store the cannabis in a place that is in reach of any child. Failure to store the cannabis out of reach of a child carries maximum penalties of an $8,000 fine, 2 years imprisonment, or both. The severity of the charge will depend on the quantity of cannabis in your possession and whether or not the cannabis was in your possession for personal use only. If you are found in possession of a quantity of cannabis that constitutes a trafficable quantity of cannabis, you will be charged with a trafficking offence rather than possession. This is regardless of whether or not the cannabis is for personal use only. If you are a young person aged 12 to 25 years of age with a legal issue or question, please do not hesitate to contact the Youth Law Centre at Legal Aid ACT for free and confidential legal advice from one of our experienced lawyers. To make an appointment, just call 02 6173 5410 or email contact@youthlawact.org.au. You can also message us on Facebook Messenger. Just find our Facebook page at www.facebook.com/legalaid-ACT. Our Youth Law Centre operates from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Mondays to Fridays.